Hey guys, this is Grillin with Greg. I'm back again with my 22-inch Weber kettle. Today I'm going to make a quick upgrade to it. We're going to upgrade the handles. And the handles have tool hooks. We all need extra tool hooks. This is the Weber original 7478. And we're going to be replacing our original handle that came with our Weber basic kettle. Easy upgrade. Phillips head screwdriver, a couple turns, there, just that easy. Oh wow, look at that, look like a couple spiders have been in there. Well, we won't have that problem. Hey, easier than I thought. Easy open packaging, we all like that, don't we? Pop the sides open. There's a little trick. Put it in catty cornered and then slide it up. Hopefully our holes will match up even. Give it a quick few turns. Yeah. Now we have tool hooks, people. We have tool hooks. We're going to use our Weber tool brush. See how that works. Beautiful. Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. I'm going to save this old handle. Never know, you might need it again for some other project. This is Grillin with Greg, and